Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Morton and I'm a second grade teacher. Today I'm going to be reading to you Now I Know Bears. The author's name is Melvin and Gilda Berger. There's two authors to this text, and this is also an example of a nonfiction text, which means the information that I'll be reading to you from this book is all real. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I know bears. Bears are powerful animals. Bears walk on all 4 feet. And if you look right here, this is a photograph of a bear's foot of the claws. They can also stand up on 2 feet. Did you know bears stand up to look around or fight? I didn't know that. Did you? Most bears live where it is cold. See that snow? Their fur keeps them warm. Some bears have large bodies. The grizzly bear grows very big. That's the grizzly bear. It eats lots of food every day. The biggest bear of all is the brown bear. The brown bear likes to eat fish. The polar bear has a white coat. Did you know polar bears only eat meat and fish? It is hard to see a polar bear in the snow. Most bears eat a lot in the summer. They get big and fat. In the winter, most bears do not eat. They sleep all winter in caves or hollow logs. Did you know bears snore when they sleep? Sometimes a bear wakes up and looks outside. If it is not too cold, the bear may go out and look for a winter snack. Baby bears are born during the winter. Did you know baby bears are called cubs? They're so cute. They are small with very little fur. The cubs stay close to their mother. They also like to have fun. The mother polar bear teaches her cubs how to swim. Look at that polar bear swimming under the water. The mother black bear teaches her cubs how to climb trees. Look at that little cub climbing. Most cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years. Then away they go. And then in the back of this book is called a glossary, and there's some words, and it tells us what those words mean. Like if I took a look at the word cub right here, it tells me its definition. Cub, a young bear. Most bear cubs are born in winter. Let's look at the word grizzly. There's the word grizzly. Grizzly, a kind of brown bear. A grizzly bear has some white hairs in its brown fur. So many nonfiction texts have a glossary, and they tell us what the words in the story mean. So that's one way this was a nonfiction text. Another example of how this was a nonfiction text is that we read lots of facts about different kinds of bears. I think the one I didn't know from reading this is that one fact is that bears stand up to look around for a fight. So you see, that's a fact, a piece of information that teaches us something about the topic we're learning, which was bears. Can you think of some facts from this book that made it nonfiction? Or do you see something about this book that makes it nonfiction? If you compared it to the story Bear Snores On, I want you to think about what makes this book that I just read to you nonfiction. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that story. Bears are so cool. I love learning about bears. There's so many books out there, so if you want to learn more, you can find them at your library. Thank you for joining me. Bye.